Now, students, we are going to prepare another dish. We are going to perform a peach flambe. So, peach flambe is similar to your crepes Suzette. Okay, here also we are going to add castor sugar, we are going to add butter, we are going to add very little of orange juice. Very little of orange juice, and then a peach slice will be added, and then it should be flambéed with a brandy. Okay, so as we discussed in other class, you can see, you can pick up the pan like this. You have to add the castor sugar like this. So there are books says, recipe says different thing. Some recipe says we can take the syrup which is present in the tinned peach. So that syrup can be taken. That can be cooked. It can be caramelized, and then the peach has been added. What do you say? The browned peach can be given. Okay. So that is not basically required in a flambe dish. There is no skill involved in it. See, even a fresh peach if you get, we can do a carving. And you know we don't get a fresh peach here. So that is the reason we are going for a processed one. You can see the color of castor sugar. It has reached a caramel. Now you can add butter. Now we are going to add orange juice. Now it's ready. So before you add an orange juice, even if you make a fresh juice or a canned juice, ensure it has been mixed, because the solid particles usually will be settled at the bottom. So ensure you mix it, and then you add a little bit of orange juice. You have to make a perfect sauce. I think we are getting a perfect sauce now. Now to this you will have to add peach slices. Now peach slices has been added to ensure the peach has been cooked completely on both the sides. You keep flipping it, so it has been cooked completely on both the sides. Now in order the sauce to go on top, you can pick up a spoon and then you can keep adding sauce on top of it. If you feel it has to be turned other way, just hold your spoon here. With the help of a fork you have to change it. Again, when you flip it, ensure it is not facing the guest, it's facing us. What is in a French hierarchy? A person who has got a wonderful skill on us, culinary, and a person who is having a service skill is called as Chef de Vegan. Good. Now you can see this wonderful sauce has been ready. More of sugar basically, and little butter is also on the higher side, so we can dissolve it again, we can dilute it again with little bit of orange juice. See, whenever you feel while cooking, whenever you feel the temperature, you're losing the temperature, is going on a higher side, please remove from the flame and work. Okay, you should have a complete control while preparing a dish. See, an expert who works in a flambe restaurant, he knows how to manage it. When you are a beginner, so you should have proper control. Yes. So we're getting a very good color sauce. This is going to taste far better uh, than pineapple flambe. I can see the sauce and I can tell you. Now we can pick up a brandy. So here we have a brandy with us. We can flambe a brandy with the brandy. See, usually the taste goes like this: orange juice, castor sugar, orange juice, brandy. The palate matches actually. Here, that's how the ingredients has been taken. Here you can see, I will take it away from the flame. I'll add a brandy. I will take it to the This is because of the AC. You can see the difference. You could see in the kitchen, when the flambe happens, it reaches at least 1 feet height. Why doesn't that happen here?
If it happens here, the accidents may occur.
Pardon? Can you explain?
If it happens in the restaurant, accidents may occur.
Excellent. That is a high pressure burner, as rightly said by him. This is a restaurant. Possibilities of accident should be very, very, very less. So, little slower flame burners have been normally kept. So when a low flame has been kept, usually the flambe part, that as well as will be a little lower side. Here we got a wonderful peach flambe. We can taste it and see how does it taste. So I'm going to taste a pineapple peach flambe sauce. Oh wow, very good sauce. Can you taste as well? Wow, great. Can you do it? Can you taste as well?
Yes.
Oh my God, wonderful taste. Excellent
Yes,
taste.
it's really nice. I can taste the caramel.